In this video, just another quick useful tip for you when it comes to your general organization in Logic. Pretty quick one. This is renaming regions in a project. So in this project here, I've got default names for all of the regions. So the MIDI tracks have more specific names here. Steinway grand piano, trumpets, African kit. The drum kit is the name for that particular drum patch. And on my audio tracks, I've got these generic sort of titles. So audio 1, audio 1.1, etc. And you can change those, you can rename them if you so wish. So to do that, you right click on a region and then click on rename regions, and it will let you type in anything you want. You can use the key command for it as well, which is maybe a bit quicker. If you highlight a region and then hold down Shift and N on your keyboard, that will prompt you to rename it as well. So you can just rename these however you want. You can select multiple regions by dragging the cursor over them. And then when I rename this here, it will rename both the highlighted regions. And if you hold down Shift, you can select multiple regions. And then rename them. For example, like that. And here I can just change all of them, like that. So as you saw, it doesn't take that long. It's pretty easy to do. It's not something you have to do, but it's just a little tip for your organization in case you wanted to do that.